Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today we start our design selection journey. It is an exciting step that sets the foundation for our project. So let's start. First step, use the flat icon website to find any icons. Please choose the right size and download it for free. Easy way to get the perfect visual for our project. You can search for anything as per project requirements for practice purpose. The next step is simple. Go to the Lottie website, download any animated file that fits our needs and use it in the project. Easy way to add some motions to our work. You can easily search for anything and select the price free filter and choose the animations. Select download and save it to the workspace for downloading. Log in your account, choose Google and other option as per your choice and download the file in the JSON format, GIF, MP4 and other option as per your choice. Step 3. Visit Dribble website to select a design for practice with a wide range of options available. Pick any design to get started. You can also explore other websites like printers and conduct a Google search for more choice once we have chosen our design and start the practice project. Stay tuned for the upcoming video updates and thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, subscribe.